Okay. Are we recording? Can you hear me? Make sure y'all can hear me. Close this window. Outside noise out the way. Let's get this screen recorder going. Screen recorder. Alright, I'm a little nervous because, let me just start off by saying I'm a little nervous. So excuse the nervousness in my voice. I don't know if I'll be listening and shit, so like energy be coming off and, they have nervous energy, so mine comes out nervous. But yeah, I'm good. So anyways, guys, I've been watching Carbonation lately, right? And I don't know why I feel spiritually connected to, Nature Boy. And I have this friend from my past, this friend I went to school with, and we used to hang out a lot, you know what I'm saying? But she looks just like fucking Velvet. And Velvet, if you see this, Nature Boy has nothing to do with this. He didn't know about this. I just recorded this off the strength. I'm like, damn, my friend looks just like her. So let me see. That's why I'm like, that's crazy. I don't know. I don't want to call it anything, but that's just crazy. Let me see. There she goes. Okay, let's hope she's online. Because she thinks she's taking a nap, so let's hope she's on. Probably that was no ass song. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna pull this shit. Really quick, guys. This is me running my mouth. The video did not catch the sound, and it'll tell you why at the end. So enjoy. Go ahead. Alright, we back. Alright, we let's get her back on the damn. Oh, mouth dry. Okay. Alright. She's so silly. Okay, guys, man, that's it right there. That's a real old friend of mine. Like, I don't even have to say much. I'm just gonna post the video. Boy, my dog barking. Anyways, like, but I'm not gonna do another take, but it didn't get the voice because for some reason on my phone I have to hit voice record or something to get the voice. So, but anyway, y'all seen it.